In this video, we will demonstrate how to assign multiple licenses to different accounts within the launcher. So the first thing you want to do is actually open your Gemvision application launcher and go ahead and log in with your master account credentials. So I'll select Login. At the bottom left-hand corner of our screen, you'll see your username. If you select that, you can now select My Account, and you'll notice we have a Licenses tab up here. We'll select Create User, and this will bring us to this web browser. If we come over here to the left, we could select Create/Manage Logins. This will actually show us all of our logins, all of our accounts that we have created. Yours will typically have 0 unless you have previously gone in and created child accounts. Mine, you see I have 1 created, but if you want to create additional ones, you just select Create Login. And here you would type in that username, password, and fill out all of these spots for that new login you are creating. For Select a Role right here, this is only specific to Stellar.com, so it's not very necessary, but for this example, we'll just keep it at Associate. And we'll go ahead and click Save. You'll do this as many times as you need to create as many accounts that you need. So we'll go ahead and minimize that and come back into our launcher, where we can now assign licenses to those new accounts we just created. So I'll select Assign Licenses, and you'll see right here it says Available Licenses. Mine says 0 because I'm currently using all of my licenses, but yours, if you have available ones, your number will show up here. So to assign a license to an account, all of those accounts we just created on that web browser will generate under here. And you'll be able to select which one you want to assign. I only have 1, so I would select that one and then select Assign Licenses. I'm going to hit Close for this instance because I don't actually want to assign a license to this user. And once you have hit Assign, you could actually log out of your master account and log back in with that new account credentials, and you will be able to utilize that license.